Hey everyone, my name's Josh. I am the product expert at Hyundai Power Products, and today we're going to be showing you around our 1500 watt air fryer. Okay, it has a large 5-litre basket. As you can see, it has got the removable tray insert as well, with the feet that are stuck on there, meaning that you're not going to get them lost in the dishwasher. This is a large 5-litre basket, so plenty of space to put all your food in. It's non-stick and it's dishwasher safe, making it super easy and convenient to clean as well. So some of the amazing features you'll get with this is, one, it's a 1500 watt air fryer, so it's super powerful. You can cook up to 200 degrees for up to 60 minutes with this air fryer, so you can slow cook if you want. It has 8 different preset modes on there as well, which you just navigate through by pressing this. So if you're unsure for how long you've got to cook a certain type of food for, then one of these presets will have you covered. Okay, as you can see on the top, we've got all your LEDs up here which indicate what mode it is. So you've got fries, bacon, we've got chicken drumsticks, shrimp, steak, muffins, veg, and also fish. Okay, and like I said, those presets are already in there, so all you have to do is select the type of food that you're cooking and press the start button by there, and you're good to go. It will then show you the temperature it's cooking at and the amount of time it will be cooking for. And it gives you a nice beep to let you know when it's done, so you can go and get your food out the air fryer and start snacking. So just some facts about this now. So it's very efficient on electricity. It doesn't use too much. Whilst the coil is heating up, it will cost around about 40 pence per kilowatt hour. Once the coil is then at full temperature, it will drop down to around about 6 pence. So it's really affordable to use, nice and cheap, and will last you plenty of years because we're giving you that 3-year warranty to back it as well. So as you can see in there, it has got a nice large powerful coil, and it has got the fan as well, which is going to blow you guys away. And there we have it, guys. So that's your Hyundai 1500 watt air fryer, which has a 5-litre basket, non-stick, 3 years warranty on there as well, and it's dishwasher safe. You can grab yours today from Hyundai Power Products.